Hello everyone. So this is going to be the 13th lecture of the series Generative Deep Learning. We are on the way of making the LLMs and we are actually getting the basics of that how LLM actually works and how we can build that. Okay, so we will be making the diffusion models and all these things. So actually now we are learning about the GAN. What is the GAN? GAN is the Generative Adversarial Network. What like this is quite important to learn these basics so that you will have a concrete understanding that what is going on behind the models. Okay, so today we are going to see the bricks dataset. This is going to be very amazing lecture, guys. So stay tuned with the end. Okay, so that if you are started this lecture, then please watch till the end because consistency matters a very a lot. Okay, and if you like this video, then please uh, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. And let's see, so first thing is that today, one thing is the announcement for you all guys. So please be till the end because this is going to be amazing announcement, and I will announce one great thing for you. So first thing, let's see about this thing that we are going to see the bricks dataset. This will be a very quick lecture. I'll be showing that what is the brick dataset and all these things, and then we'll be download the data. Okay, fine. Then this is the brick dataset. So you can just click here and see that okay, this is going to be the brick dataset. I have opened it. So these are the images of the Lego bricks. I hope that you have played, but okay. I haven't played it with, but I have seen my cousins who play with it. Okay, you can see different type of bricks. Okay, a lot of data is there, and it is like 1 GB data. So like we have to actually download it. We have to actually download it in our Collab notebook so that we can use it. So what we will doing that what we'll do, we will just run this code and code one by one. Okay. So what I will do that I will restart this session, and then I will just share the link of this notebook in the description. Okay. And one thing I want to tell that if you are new to this video, like you are first time on this channel, then guys, here is the full playlist of the generative AI. So you can start from one lecture also, or you can start from GAN also. Okay, so it's your choice. You will have a better understanding that what is going on. And now let's see. So yeah, run it one by one. This will okay. So actually, what we are doing that we are downloading this data to the Collab notebook. So for downloading the data, we need this codes. So we'll be what we'll be doing that we'll be just running it, and you can just what we'll do that we'll go in the settings. Okay, just go here, go in the settings. In the settings, just create the new token. So just continue it and you will be downloading the kaggle.json file. So now just go here and choose the files and just upload that file. That is a very simple thing. You have to just do that thing and then you will be able to download. Okay, first thing is that you don't need uh, to download it manually like 1 GB data. You don't have to spend it. The Kaggle will actually download it, and okay, Kaggle will actually download it. Okay, and we'll be just running it. Okay, so I hope you got the idea. Now again, go to the data set, and there here click on the three button. Okay, you can see here, and just copy the API command. Just copy it, and now just paste it. So actually, you will be getting the notebook, so you don't need to do all these things, but first time if you are doing, then it is okay. So just put the exclamation mark, just click here, and it will start downloading the data. You can see here like 193 mbps speed. So it is actually the Google server, it is downloading. So it is quite downloaded very fast, so you can use it. So let's see on the theory part that what it actually saying that okay, you can download the data from here, And what we'll do that we'll be actually creating the data, a TensorFlow data set. Okay. So what we'll do that we'll be just copy it and paste the data here. And so you can, I will recommend you to write. Okay, I'm not writing. It's just because that it will take more time. Like when I watch the tutorials, then I really okay do that. So first thing that what we will do that we will actually see this error. Okay, utils is not defined. So this has the inbuilt actually. Okay. So what we'll do that we'll be actually copying it and we'll be pasting the code here and just copy it and paste it here. Okay. So like sometimes you can get some error. Okay. So it is okay to get the error. When you solve the errors, then that is the most important part. Like when you solve errors, your thinking ability actually enhances with the okay, we are getting too much error, I think. Okay. So we have actually downloaded the zip. I think we need to actually we need to unzip the file, I think. Then we'll be able to what we'll be doing that we'll be unzipping it. Okay. So that it can access the data set, I think. So like in the book, it doesn't give okay. And it is okay because just copy it, copy the path of this and paste it here. I think now it will work. Yeah, it is now there. You can see like it is actually unzipping the file and okay, it will take some time. I have because as this data set is quite big, then it will take some time and then we'll be able to actually see it. Okay, so let's see this thing. Like then we'll be pre-processing the bricks data set and then we'll be doing it more. Okay. So now I hope it will work. I hope. Okay. So just paste it here. I hope this will work. Okay. Just paste the path. Okay. This is the path actually, guys. You can see here, like this is the path for what is the path here? Okay, this is the data set. Okay, so just take this path. Okay, copy the path and paste it here. I hope this time it will work. Let's see. Guys, you have to be able to handle this problems. Okay, because you'll be getting this problem when you will be testing. Maybe after some time, the libraries will change. Okay, so you have to try to find the uh, like solutions from yourself. Then you'll be a better machine learning engineer or scientist, something like that. So what actually we have done? So let's see this thing one by one. So what we are doing that to, we are actually creating a TensorFlow data set pointing at the directory where the images are stored. So what we have done that we have actually downloaded the data, then actually we have made a TensorFlow data set. Okay. And then this allows to read the batches of image into memory only when it is required. So that is the most important thing. That's why we are doing. Okay, so what we are doing, we are actually making it a tensor flow data set, and that will be helpful in the read batches. So why we need batches? Like batch size is 128. Like if you are running it in the low end, or you can say something somewhat lower end GPU or CPU, then you need a lower batch size. Lower batch size is something like that. You are taking a small scoop, a small scoop of the anything. So like, so that you will be able to digest it quickly, something like that, so that we can work with the large data sets, so that we can work with the large data set and not worry about having to fit the entire data set into memory. So that is quite interesting, guys. So learn this thing and use it in the further projects. It also resizes the image to the 64 multiplied by 64 and enter. Okay, so it is actually resizing the images also. So, like, it is actually scaling it, and what you're doing, that what is happening, that original data is scaled in the range of 0 to 225. It means that it is grayscale image to denote the pixel intensity. When the training GAN, we rescale the data to range -1 to 1. What you are doing, that we are something somewhat rescaling the data in the range -1 to 1. So that we can use the tan activation function on the final layer of the generator. So it is the thing that you will be seeing in the uh, next further lectures. Okay, so what we are doing, that we are just pre-processing this data, and now you can. So this was the whole thing about today. So what we have done actually, that we have from the Kaggle, we have the downloaded the data. We have seen that how can we download the data from the Kaggle, and then we have unzipped it, and then we have put it on the TensorFlow image dataset from the directory, and then we have processed it. So in the next lecture, what we'll be doing, we'll be actually making the discriminator. Okay, so we'll be actually making the discriminator, and this will be amazing. So now it is the time for the announcement, guys. So first thing is that this is the thing. Yeah. So we have made a channel or a group on the LinkedIn, so that you can access it, and you can post any query that you have now. Okay. So a link will be in the description. Just go down and okay, click on that, join this group, and if will have any query, then just go here. Like, have a screenshot. You can just have a screenshot here, that okay, I am not getting it, please make me understand, and just be very specific about things, that what you are not getting, just paste it here. Okay, and what you are not getting, that like why it received, why it is received. Okay, and just post your query. Okay, guys, so like, be active. I want you to interact with me, so that we will have a better interaction, and we will have a very good community. So you can just here see the various questions. So like, when I will get time, I will reply to you, or you can also DM me. But I will say that many people have the queries, so you can post your own query, and you can resolve any others query also. So together we will be having a great community, guys. So I hope that you have liked this initiative, and if you haven't if you have any problem with the code, then you can also paste it here. Okay, and not, I will say that only code, because you can just share it. Okay, you can share your notebook, and you can ask the particular thing, that okay, this is the problem in my Google Colab. So you solve it, or something like that. Okay, so you can just have a screenshot, that okay, I am getting this error. So you can actually, okay, just paste it here. Now you can actually interact with me. This is how you can interact and ask the questions. So it will be amazing, guys. I hope that you have liked this video. And if you are at the end, then please subscribe this channel, like the video. And I actually put a lot of effort in this thing. So like, yeah, like it is very good that we will together make a good community. So yeah, meet you in the next video. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.